Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam. And this is my jam. I have epic unboxings for you today. I am so excited. I'm going to go over what I got when I was with Ed in Ohio. Well, we went to Pennsylvania. And then also I have this unboxing here. I have seen lots of people doing unboxings of this particular item. And
is it cereal?
No. And I'm so excited because I never dreamed in a million years that I would get asked to unbox an item from this company. And so this is the video itself isn't technically sponsored, but I was gifted what's in this box here. And I know it's crazy, but out of all the companies and sponsorships and stuff that are out there, this is the one that I was just dreaming that someday would reach out to me. And when they did, I was just shocked. And so I thought I'd show you the whole experience because I don't normally see the whole experience on here. So the box comes in a box like this. And you may be able to see already where it's from. But this is from Rose Forever, Rose Forever from New York. And they were a company that was founded in 2019. And you have your care instructions here. I love this company, and I can say this. I have already purchased 3 separate times from this company with my own money. I purchased a dozen roses that I gave to my son. At one point, they're dark blue, beautiful. I bought those at least 3 years ago, if not more. They still sit out on his dresser in a really beautiful velvet container, and they still look fantastic 3 years later. Then I sent some to Eva from Fuchsia Floyd about a year ago or so. I think it was a year ago for Valentine's Day, some bright fuchsia ones. And then I also sent one of my best friends some of these about a year ago as well. And so, because I love them, I love that they'll last. And my experience with them, obviously from seeing my sons, is that they last way more than a year. You get protection here. They are real roses. They are processed using natural oils in a way that allows them to stay the way that they are. All of their products are vegan. So when you get things like some of the boxes or items have suede, even that is vegan. I'm not 100% sure how to get this out of here carefully. There we go. That was easy. They are allergen free, and the process that they use to color the roses is through a pigmentation process. So I picked mine in this really nice marble looking container because I'm going to put these in here behind me on the shelf, and I thought this would go good because I have some purple and black shelves right there. So this is what the box looks like. I'm so excited to look in the inside of this. Oh, I just can't believe it. Adina's who reached out to me from Rose Forever. She's awesome. She was so sweet. She gave me a code. So up to 30 days after this video posts, you can order. I have a link down below, and you can receive $20 off your order by just using code JAME. And here we go. Let's see. Should I let you guys... Should we see them at the same time? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Like, who doesn't want to receive? Look at these. Look at these. I picked the lavender color. Oh, are they pretty? Oh my gosh. My voice gets higher when I get excited, I think. I'm so excited. They're beautiful.
Very pretty.
Oh my gosh. Oh, and they smell good. Oh my gosh. I am beyond the moon. I love these. Like I said, this box I received, it was gifted, but I think they're fantastic. Like I said, I've sent them to Eva, to my friend, to my son. My son has the black velvet, with the dark blue roses. Oh God, these are pretty. Oh, and they're real. And just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Can you believe they come in a box like that?
I can't believe it.
Oh, I'm just so thrilled. I couldn't believe it and believe it or not, I was with Ed in Ohio, and he was, putting the babies to bed, and I was checking my email, and there was an email. I always get emails from Rose Forever New York because I've purchased from them before. So I always get emails from them. They always run really good specials. But all of a sudden this said this was Adina from there, and I'm like, no, it can't be. It can't be. And it was. They wanted to send me some roses. I'm sorry. This is genuine. I am over the moon. Mick can attest to the fact that ever since I did videos, and I certainly obviously don't do them for sponsorships or anything like that. I am sincere in that I do them because I wanted to be part of this community, and that means the world to me. But I did say that if ever there was somewhere that would want to sponsor me, this is who I wanted to want to sponsor me. Because I love flowers, and I love this company, and I know they've sponsored other people. I know Winnie has some really beautiful things from them, and I've seen other influencers as well, and Winnie's the one who got me started on them, and I just love them because they're real, and they look so nice, and they last such a long time. Like I said, Turner's are over 3 years old now, and they still look fantastic. So, these are mine. And okay, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna gush because I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Can you believe it?
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't believe it either. Okay, Annie can't believe it's not butter, but okay. So I am going to be putting these nicely on the shelf behind me, and you will be able to see them again for the next 30 days.
Does that mean you're going to clean the room up?
Hush up. You'll using my code JAME get $20 off an order, and I just keep smelling them too, and they smell so good, but not like overpowering, like sometimes, like not fake, you know, just nice.
Subtly scented.
Yes, they're just so pretty. It was hard picking, but this lavender, you guys can't tell, but my room has a lot of lavender in it. The white is actually a whitish lavender. Then I painted the front of my shelves this purple, and I have lavender accents kind of all over the room. So this is beautiful, a beautiful addition. So there we have that. Just gonna set them down for now. And then I'm gonna show you what I got when I was with Ed. So Ed took me to Pittsburgh, to a mall there, and of course I can't remember the name of the mall right now.
Not Mall of America.
No, it wasn't Mall of America, but
not the Carousel Center Mall.
No, that's in Syracuse. So we
not Park Plaza.
No, that's an old mall from here. So okay, not Port Plaza either, which was an old Green Bay mall, but
why are you going on about these malls?
I wasn't. You were. Okay, and so we both went into Tory Burch, and we both found a bag there, same bag that we loved, a little Boston bag, a denim bag, but just not quite enough to get it. Then we went into Coach, and then we went into Louis Vuitton and Gucci, and nothing. I liked a lot of stuff, but not enough to really get it.
Nothing spoke to you?
Nothing spoke to me. And then there was a ring that I had seen on Tiffany's website that I liked. And I thought, you know what? Because I wanted something to commemorate the day. I was just, it was so wonderful. I had spent the day before with Ed and his kids, and we went to the park and stuff like that. And so I wanted something to commemorate it. And I thought, oh, I get this ring from Tiffany. It was a nice ring. It had like a T shape to it, and it was like $600. And I thought, yeah, that's pricey, but it's Tiffany, and it'll commemorate the day, and so on and so forth. Well, we went in there and they didn't have it, but fortunately, they had many other nice things. We got some Avion water, which was really nice, and then I got a box that was wrapped up nice in a Tiffany bow, that had chocolates in it. I got that, which was super nice.
Where are the chocolates?
I ate those. And then I got this, and I got this little jewelry care and gemstone enhancement guide from them. And then, here's a little receipt. And then here's the beautiful box. The pouch in the beautiful blue bag. And the beautiful wrapped box. I looked at their leather goods too, because I do like Tiffany leather goods, but I saw this ring and I wasn't set on it until I put it on my finger, and then I had to have it. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to open it. Just push that. But it's empty. It's empty because I'm already wearing it. She goes, do you have one you want me to put in there instead? I'm like, no. So now I'll let you see it not on me. So there are 3 small diamonds in it. And it's rose gold. And then it says Tiffany on it. I don't know, can you tell?
It's upside down.
You can see that I'm really good at this. Now can you see it?
Yep.
So there's diamonds on it, and so just looking at it, I wasn't necessarily sold, especially because of the price, which was unfortunately about 4 times more than what I had planned on spending. But I put it on and I wanted a ring for my middle finger, and I just fell in love. It was the ring. It is so comfortable. It's got like a soft comfort band, and it's just so nice. So that's what I got. I'm figuring, like, I'm an adult. I could buy another bag. We know I have tons of bags. So I'm like, I wanted it to be something special and meaningful. And this especially I like too, because I got a bigger size. It's probably a little bigger than I need it to be. But I figure if anything ever happens to me, I know for sure one of my sons does like to have rings on, or a ring on. I could always gift it to them. With all boys, it's hard. I mean, none of my boys like handbags or anything. So if anything happens to me, I don't know what'll happen to this. But jewelry is a different story. And so I just thought that it was the most practical thing to get. And I think it's beautiful. I just think it's beautiful. It's practical. Practical in terms of it's something that I can pass on. And I figure even if a son had it that didn't like to wear rings, you could always put it on a necklace or whatever and carry it that way. But one way or the other, it could be used yet again. So that's what I picked up. It is the only thing I picked up. Well, that's not true. When I was driving home, I stopped at Uranus and bought some stuff there, which I just think is so funny to bring up.
You're 12?
Sometimes. But no, I had a wonderful trip. This is in collaboration with Ed, so please then down in the description box below, I'm going to link to his video. See what he picked up. We saw so many nice items, and he picked up something really special as well. It was the only one they had in the store. And he's like, he picks it up and shows it to me, and he goes, "Why do I love this so much?" And I'm like, because it's you in a bag. I don't know, something about it just, okay, I gave it away, you got a bag. But something about it was just, it was so him to me. So, it was great. It was a wonderful trip. We went to Cheesecake Factory. We brought one of the babies with us and just had such a good time. It was wonderful. I can't say enough good things other than I wish we lived closer than 10 hours driving away, because I would probably want to go see him like every weekend, him and the babies. I do like the babies. No, it's just a really super good time. So that's my video for you today. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out luxury and contemporary, primarily handbag related content on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Every other Thursday, I do a book related video. And then on Monday or Tuesday of each week, I also do a bag swap where I swap from one of my bags into another. I switch out my SLGs and tell you the good, the bad, the ugly about those. And you can also find me over on Instagram. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. Don't forget, if you like the Roses Forever, $20 off your purchase for the next 30 days from here with code JAME. I'll link them down in the description box below. And I, again, can't thank them enough. I'm over the moon about them gifting me these roses. I still can't believe it. So, yeah, that's what I have for you today. So until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.